You know that feeling, right? That bright red password incorrect. Maybe you try again thinking you just mistyped. Password incorrect. It's this constant losing battle. You create a password that's so complex you're actually proud of it, and then you forget it 5 seconds later. So, what do we all do? We end up using password 123 or fluffy 1990 for everything, which is like, I don't know, locking your house, your car, and your bank vault all with the same flimsy little suitcase key. It's just not safe. But what if I told you there's a system, a way to create a unique, rock-solid, hacker-proof password for every single site, and the best part is, you basically already know it. It's true. You just need 3 things. That's it. 3 things you'll never forget. 1, an easy-to-remember phrase. 2, a memorable date. And 3, just the name of the place you're logging into. All right, let's build one right now. First, the phrase. Let's pick something really simple, something that just sticks in your head. How about, my dog's spot is the best? Got it? My dog's spot is the best. Now, just take the initials of that phrase, all lowercase, MDSITB. Okay, that's piece 1, MDSITB. Second, the date. Pick a date that's locked in your brain. Birthday, an anniversary. Let's just use Halloween, October 31st. Or write that as month day, 1031. You could also use a birth year like 1988, whatever you'll remember. For this, we'll use 1031. Third, the site. Let's say we're making a password for Gmail. So we have our 3 pieces, MDSITB, 1031, and Gmail. Now, we just assemble them using a simple, repeatable formula. Are you ready? Start with your initials, MDSITB. Add the @ symbol, then add the site name, but, and this is important, capitalize the first letter. So capital G, Gmail. After the name, add an exclamation point. And to finish it off, add your date, 1031. So, what do you have? MDSITB at Gmail, exclamation 1031. Just look at that. It's long, it has lowercase letters, it has an uppercase letter, it has a symbol, it has numbers. That is a strong password, and you didn't have to memorize a random string of nonsense. You just remembered, my dog's spot is the best, and Halloween. But here's where it becomes a system. What about your bank? Easy. You just swap the site name. Initials, MDSITB, @ symbol, site name, first letter capped, bank, exclamation mark, date, 1031. Boom. MDSITB at bank, exclamation 1031. Instagram, MDSITB at Instagram, exclamation 1031. Netflix, MDSITB at Netflix, exclamation 1031. See? You now have a totally unique password for every single account you own. And all you had to remember was your one phrase and your one date. But wait, I know what you're thinking. What happens in 3 months when that stupid "your password has expired" notice pops up? This is the best part. Your first password for Gmail was MDSITB at Gmail, exclamation 1031, right, with a capital G. When it's time to change it, you don't need a new phrase. You don't need a new date. You just move the capital letter one spot to the right. So your new password becomes MDSITB at Gmail, exclamation 1031. See? The G is lowercase now, and the M is uppercase. The next time you have to change it, you move it again. MDSITB at Gmail! Exclamation 1031. And so on. And that's it. That's the whole system. An entire library of complex, secure passwords, all stored right inside your head. So, go on. Think of your phrase, think of your date, and go secure your accounts.
Stay curious, stay informed, and stay secure. Your digital life is worth protecting. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more tips on navigating the digital world safely. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.